In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Maya to PayPal. Latest guide. How to link Maya card to PayPal. Let's get started by signing into your PayPal account. You can use either the PayPal app on your phone or the PayPal website in a browser, whichever you're more comfortable with. Once you're logged in, head to the Wallet section. Depending on your layout, this might appear as Wallet or as Banks and Cards. This is where PayPal keeps your payment methods and where we'll add your Maya card. Inside Wallet, look for the option to add a new card. You'll see a button that says Link a Card, Add Card, or a plus icon. Tap or click that to open the card entry form. Now, enter your Maya Visa card details. You can use either your virtual Maya Visa from the app or the physical card if you have one. Type in the full card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Take your time here and double-check each field to avoid typos, as even a single incorrect digit will cause an error. Next, fill in the billing address. This part is important. The billing address you enter in PayPal must match the address on your Maya account exactly. Mismatched addresses are one of the most common reasons card linking fails. Make sure the street, city, postal code, and any abbreviations match how they appear in Maya. If your Maya address uses an apartment or unit number, include it in the same format. After you submit the details, PayPal will run a quick authorization to verify the card. You'll usually see a small charge of around $1 appear on your Maya card. This isn't a fee, it's a temporary hold to confirm the card is valid. In most cases, it's released and refunded within a few minutes. If you don't see it right away, give it a little time and refresh your Maya transaction history. If the link doesn't go through on the first try, recheck the card number, expiration date, CVV, and that exact billing address match. Also make sure your Maya card has enough available balance to cover that small authorization. If you're using a virtual card you just created, wait a moment and try again once it's fully active. Once the card is accepted, it will appear in your PayPal wallet, and you can start using it for payments. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Wallet, add your card, enter accurate details, and let PayPal verify with a quick authorization that gets refunded.